To start your trial, your Manage Page area will be set up with some example pages that have helpful preset content as a starting point. You can add additional pages and choose which pages will appear in your menu and adjust the order of the pages in the menu. When you add new pages, they'll be offline by default. This means that you can view them and edit them while logged into your RocketSpark dashboard, but visitors to your site won't be able to view them even if your site is live at your domain name. To visit one of the pages, just click on the name of the page and it will take you to that page in editor mode. Click the editor pencil to rename the page or set up one of your pages in your menu to redirect to your blog, shop or another page or website. If you need several pages with a similar layout, you can copy a page and this will duplicate its layout and content so you can edit the copied version. You can also upload a favicon or hide your home page from your menu as an option. Setting up URL redirects are handy if you want to set up an additional URL by which visitors can arrive at a page. For example, if you want to set up a nice short URL for a marketing campaign, or to redirect people from URLs on your old website to the equivalent page on your new website. If you delete a page, you can also bring it back from the Deleted Pages section.